Yo, Sonny!
Quick video if you want to know how to mount one of these plastic receptacle boxes. A lot of people, they make a mistake when they put it on the wall and they mark at the top of here, top of these little holes. You can't. If you mark at the top, it'll go right through. So what you want to do is you want to mark your spot. Alright? And you want to get yourself a quick bullet level. You want to just make sure it's nice and even there. Then what you want to do is you mark the sides, and then between these two little knobs here, you want to just make a mark in between the two knobs at the top and at the bottom, and then write it on this other side. So you're left with these marks. And what you want to do is you just want to go across, make this level to the bottom, make it level. And you can see I left out the little knobs that would be up here on each side. You want to leave those because when it goes against the sheetrock, that's how it's bracketed to the sheetrock. Then you just grab yourself a knife, if you have one. Go nice and easy on the lines. Go one easy score. Don't push too hard. Go across the bottom. Do this side here. You just want to get through the paint and the paper. Go across the top. Once you've made it through, now you can just push it a little bit harder. Alright. If you have a multi-tool, you can go right through it. But most people, do-it-yourselfers, don't have one. So you're going to use a knife. You're going to go easy. Keep scoring it until you get through. Take your time. Don't rush. Make it nice and neat as possible. Once you got through, you just push it through. You got to loosen it up and pop it through. Alright, and there you go. So when you get your box, the way these work is they open up inside the wall and they squeeze in between the sheetrock. And these tabs are what keeps it in place. So you'll just pop it just like this. And when you tighten these screws, it clamps to the sheetrock and boom. Alright, thanks for watching. Very basic, simple. And we'll catch you on the next one. Remember, mark across here and then the sides. Leave the tabs. Alright, what do we got to do now? Sonny? Are you in here, Sonny? Where are you, kid?
Yes, Sonny.